Tips kung paano maghanda sa interview if you're applying as a freelancer or an independent contractor. Sa task number 14, bibigyan ko kayo ng mga konting tips na ginagawa ko in preparation for an interview, whether it's with an agency, with a client, kahit nakuha ko yung client sa online platforms, or nakuha ko siya directly. Pero hindi pa to yung discovery call ha, kasi separate kapag ka referral yung client. So, ibig sabihin, warm na sila and they're going to hire me. I just need to see if we're a good fit. Anyway, if this is the first time that you're seeing me on your FYP, my name is Mary and I post easy to follow daily tasks that you can do to start your freelancing journey. This is task number 14. Kung kagaya kayo ni Love na lagi na lang bumabagsak daw sa interview, then this is probably something that you can practice muna before even getting an interview. For the first couple of months, I would say na talagang normal. Ang kagandahan neto, kapag madalas kayong nai-interview, ibig sabihin you have a lot of opportunity then to practice and improve kung ano man yung kailangan yung i-improve. These are the most common questions asked during an interview. I highly recommend you screenshot this and transfer it sa isang Google Doc. Tapos you can start answering it na. I highly recommend downloading Grammarly, tapos mag-create kayo ng account para pag-create ninyo ng mga answer nyo doon, automatic i-check din niya yung grammar. A couple more things about answering interview questions. So, what I noticed is that if the person interviewing me, ang position nila is recruitment, basically, ang pinakang role talaga nila is to filter candidates. So, mas mahaba yung ine-expect nila na answers, mas detalyado yung gusto nilang sagot. Meron silang some sort of form na fill out at ititik nila yon if okay sa'yo, okay sila sa'yo, or if hindi. You really have to gauge kung sino yung kausap mo at dun mo ibabase kung gaano kahaba yung isasagot mo. But, eto direct clients ha. Pagka direct clients, gusto nila straight to the point because they don't have that much time para sa mga maraming chinelering church. So, kung direct clients ang kausap mo, 3 to 5 sentences will do. Make sure to use keywords at saka sa direct clients, hindi nagamit yung mga, nagana yung mga power words eh. So, basta make it simple, make it straight to the point. Another tip. So, once you're done answering these questions sa Google Docs or Google Keep, wherever you wanna put your kodigo, this is what we would call kodigo ha. Record yourself using Zoom. Tapos, basahin mo siya. And every single day, idadagdag nyo to sa daily task nyo sa Asana ha. Every single day, you will do this. Record yourself answering the interview questions. Kung kaya, i-memorize nyo yung sagot. Kung hindi, that is okay. Guys, ganito. I-comment nyo dito yung pinakamahirap na interview question para sa inyo. At susubukan ko siyang sagutin kung ano yung sagot ko pagka sa akin tinanong. Comment any questions you guys have about working from home. Follow for more work from home.